So we're out in the real world with Kahlua here. We're going to be taking her for a walk in town, passing people, passing dogs, next to the street. You know, we're doing the real deal now, right? Now, we're going to do this completely off leash. And a lot of you guys might be like, okay, are the owners really going to do this with the dog? Maybe. That's up to them. But for us, I want to see she can do this. So walking down the street on a leash with her owners is no big deal at all, right? If you're going to do this with a dog, especially a young reactive dog, you know, make sure you know what you're doing. This is my don't try this at home disclaimer, okay? So we're going to take Kahlua through her paces, do all her obedience, dogs, people, everything. And, you know, make sure she's capable of doing everything to a high level anywhere that she needs to go. Heel. Good. Nice work. Good job, Kahlua. Good. Very nice. Down. Good. Chop. Yeah, sweetheart. Very good. Nice job. Heel. Good. Good. Good work, girl. Good job. Good girl. Good. Down. Nice work, girl. That's really nice. Heel. Good. Chop. Yeah, nice work. Very good. Yeah. Super. Super. Nice job. Oh. Oh. Out. Good. Nice job. Heel. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Down. Good. Come. Good girl. Nice job, sweetie. Really good. Chop. Yeah, very good. Good job. So I don't want to help Kahlua too much at this point in the game. I want her to be able to deal with anything, dogs, people, close proximity, whatever. And corrections are only going to be, you know, big and consequential for big mistakes. And I'm also going to let her have some free time because she's shown me she's capable of having it a little bit. Kahlua, come. Good girl. Yeah, yeah. Chop. Nice. Now this is Kahlua's, you know, we haven't done that much in really busy settings with Kahlua. We don't have her for that long. We only have Kahlua for 4 weeks, right? So still adding a lot of positive reinforcement at this point in the game for really good decisions, but I also expect her to do it. Let's go, girl. Good job. But I want to see her actually exploring and sniffing and doing a little bit of this because I want her to get more comfortable and open out here as long as I still have the control on her. Job, sweetie. Kahlua, let's go. Yeah, good girl. Nice job. Kahlua, heel. Good girl. And we're going to be doing a lot more like letting her have longer, prolonged bouts of free time, followed by, you know, flying back into obedience and alternating, you know, longer duration in the two. Good girl. Good job, Kahlua. Hello. Good job, sweetie. Girl, break. Nice work, girl. Let's take her up there and we'll go through the busy area. Kahlua, let's go. Come on, sweetie. Let's go, girl. Yeah, go on. Down. Good girl. Yeah, sweetheart. Very good. Nice job. Heel. Good. Nice work. Break. Yeah, good work. I'm really mixing up. Like sometimes I'm going to pop her ball. Sometimes she's going to get some food. Sometimes she's going to get nothing. Hey, leave it. Leave it. Good. Break. Come on. What we really got to do is crack down on Kahlua picking crap up. Go on. And for that, every time I see her try and pick something up, I'm just going to mark leave it and nick her on the collar. Kahlua, heel. Good. Good girl. Break. Yeah, go on, girl. Go on, sweetie. See if she wants to pick up some more sticks over here. Bad habit to have. Leave it. Good. And we're going to do that every single time Kahlua tries to pick stuff up because it's a super dangerous habit. Go on, break. Go, go. Good girl. Nice. Yeah, good girl. Very nice. And I marked her there because she thought about picking something up and she stopped herself. She's got like scratch or something. She's walking a little funny. Yeah. Come on, girl. Let's go. Yeah. All right, so we're getting a busy area, so we're gonna put Kahlua under some structure. Kahlua, heel. Good. Good girl. Good work, sweetheart. Good job, girl.
I don't see where you see that because he dropped his set.
Whoa, good. Down. And this is the stuff that a dog like Kahlua really struggles with. cars, loud noises, people, got social nerves, right? So seeing she can keep it together here is where it really matters. And when we get into busy places like this with Kahlua, and we're gonna have her owners do a lot of this when she gets home, lots of play, right? Getting her to think about other things. Kahlua, chip. Whoa, yeah, good girl. We want to get her engaged, whether it's in obedience or structured play in all these environments. Out. Good. Heel. Good girl. Nice, Kahlua. Yeah, very good. Just because she can do it without the reinforcement of the, the ball or whatever, doesn't mean I can't use it to work through her nerves in situations like this. She's a young dog. She needs more of it. Oof. Oof. Out. Good. Down. Good girl. Hello. Good job, sweetie. Good girl. Oh, yeah, very nice. Very good. And then we're going to pop the ball away and go back to work. Out. Good. Kahlua, heel. Good girl. Back and forth, back and forth. Good. 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 Good girl. Nice job. Good work, girl. Good girl. Nice. Good. Heel. Good. Very good, sweetheart. Really nice. Good job, girl.